So I started refurbishing a bird feeder, the caged bird feeder that we had. That's not part of it. But this cylinder part goes down in the middle of here. This goes on top of it. It hangs. So it was all looking like, well, that looks pretty fucking good. It was all looking like that. Like shite. Like this. Yep. This. Gonna have to clean this up now. And make it looking like a this. Just screw all these pieces in, get them where they stay. Finish up, clean the inside of them a little bit. Lacquer it, and it'll be looking like a new, except for that that rust on that plastic cylinder. But we got that as clean as we could get it. A little refurbishing of the bird feeders. Going good.